Hey everybody, welcome back. So I have a couple embellishment boxes that I made and I want to come and share them with you guys. Now I started making these and I've been hooked on doing it, and I'm gonna kind of go fast because I think I have a total of 4 that I want to share with you guys, and I'm getting ready to ship these out. So I just wanted to come and show you. Now I've already done one swap with a young lady on Instagram. If you follow me, then you saw the pictures. So now I've created a couple more. This one is my summertime theme, and I made this rosette and put the little the chipboard like sticker, and it says summertime memories, and I used a removable glue dot on the front so that it can stay right there. And then I made sure that you can kind of see some of the stuff on the inside. So this is what this one looks like, and I basically made a few things, like, let me see, let me sit that down. I made a few things that they can use. This is like a sticker, and then I added like a lot of other like summertime themed stuff in here. This is just a little girl drinking some coffee. Here is some, what does this one say? Sunshine. And then there's a bunch of little stickers and stuff down here, chipboard stickers. Then I added these. I like to wrap washi tape around these as samples. So I just added a few of those in there. And then I put some rolled up bling over here, some individual bling thingies. What else is down in there? Yeah, just this pocket right here, or this area, is more about bling. Then I added 3 washi tapes. This one is the little summer themed. Let's see, then in here I added some really cute summertime embellishments. If I can pull these out. Like I said, I'm trying to go fast because I don't want this video to be very long. Otherwise I will just break it down and do it in 2 parts. So I just put some of these in there that they can use to put on whatever they want. The cute little glasses. And so that's in there. Here's a stamp. Here's another stamp, an ice cream stamp. There's some wooden flower stickers as well as some fabric stickers that they can use as stickers. So that's in that pocket. Then over here I added some ice cream erasers. There's a chocolate and a strawberry. Then there's some pineapple erasers down at the bottom. There's a couple of these in there. And then I just added some paper clips. This one is shaped like an ice cream. There's some gold ones in there. There's some hearts and some stars. Just some different paper clips. And then back here, I just put some more stickers. I added one of these little containers from Dollar Tree, and I just put some like flowers and stuff in there that can be used for whatever. Here's some watermelon stickers. And then I made a washi sample type thing with all summertime washi. And I put it on one of the little rings that you can get at Dollar Tree as well. And I put that in there with the watermelons. And then last but not least, in this one, I put a bunch of different stickers in here. On this side, and it has, if I can pick them up, strawberry shortcake. There's a bicycle, strawberry shortcake. There's some more embellishments that I made, like this one, the ant carrying the watermelon. There's stickers, all kinds of different pieces that can be used as summer themed. So all of that is in there. I really like this one right here, the camera. And then here's a chipboard that says the good life. And okay, so I got everything back in there and I closed it up. So this one, like I said, is my summer theme, and I like to send other goodies with my embellishment box. So I will be adding this. This is one of the little sets from Target, the little Ziploc baggie type thing with all of this and the stickers. Because it is summer themed, I'll be adding that. This is the 5-color highlighter that will go to this person. One of these cute little pens. And I was going to add this too, this little fluffy pen. So all of this will go to my theme, my summer theme person. So I'm gonna show you guys one more box for this video, so it'll be two, and then I'll re-record another video with the other two because I think this is gonna be too long. So let me grab the other one and I'll show you what my other box looks like. Okay, so here is my second box, and this one is my magical theme, and I just put some bling on the outside. Right here it says rainbows, unicorns, yay. And this one is more unicorn inspired, and then I put a sticker right here that says hello, but I try to use everything to where they can actually take it off and use it. So I put the sticky dots on the back of this so they can still take this hello off and use it, and then I just put a rainbow right there. So when you open it up, it's all kind of magical stuff in here. I put some bows over here, some bling wrap. I put this jar of gemstones in there. In that same pocket is just some little embellishments that can be used. Let's see. I swear taking it out and trying to get it back in there how you had it is the problem. There's some diamond paper clips, a unicorn, and a rainbow eraser in this one with some stickers, flower stickers. And then in this pocket or I keep calling it a pocket like it's a pocket letter. In this spot right here, I just put a bunch of unicorn stickers. This one. This, a little princess, it says little princess, and just anything that I had that was magical or unicorn inspired. Here's a heart. And then over here in this side I put another one of those little things, but I added a bunch of those little bow embellishments that you can get from Dollar Tree that are supposed to be for your nails. But I put a bunch of different little things in here. So there's some little gemstones. There's the cute little bows and everything like that. And so I just put that in there. That can be used or glued on a project. Then here is some washi. This one has the unicorns in gold foil, rose gold foil. And then this one says awesome. And then this one has some rainbows on it. And then back here in this pocket, I just put some enamel dots, some really pretty glitter, different packs of glitter back here, some little stickers or embellishments. That one said love. And then in these two pockets is just some more stickers, magical themed. This one says, it's all rainbows and unicorns, just be magical. And those are those bubble pop-up stickers that I got from Dollar Tree. And then in here is just some more stickers and all kind of other little stuff that I added in that part. And so that is my magical theme or unicorn themed embellishment box. And I will be sending this person these cute little rubber stamp set that I got from, was it Target? Yeah, Target. And then I'll also add this sticky note pad. Here's some ink. This cute little shadow box that I got from Dollar Tree. So they'll be getting that. Here is a sticky note pad or magnetic list pad. And then also, I made this some time ago, but I will be adding this just as a little extra bonus. And it was a flip book that I made a while back, and it looks like that, and it was unicorn themed. And if you've been following me for a long time, you've seen me make this. And this has all kind of little pockets of stuff that they can also use. Right here, you can take those stickers off. This is a magnet in here, and then once you flip it down, you have more stickers that can be used. And this is also a washi tape sample right here. And yeah, so I also made that, and that's what the back looks like. And that's the front. So they will be getting all of that stuff, and that's in my unicorn theme embellishment box. So that is it for this video, you guys. Stay tuned because I will be recording my other two that I made, and I'll be showing you guys those two as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed these two. Stay tuned, and I'll be right back.